Hello, scholars. Today we are going to work on counting forward and backwards. So when we count forward, it's like we're adding. So our number that we're counting by today is 2. So this is me counting forward. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Right? Notice how my numbers kept getting bigger, right? I kept adding 2 to each number. Now, I'm going to give you a number. We're going to count backwards by 2. So if we count backwards by 2, instead of adding 2, we will subtract 2 from that number. So we're going to start with 20, okay? So I have 10 groups of 2, I have 20. Let's count backwards by 2. 20 minus 2, minus 9, 1, 19, minus 2, 18. 18. Now we subtract what number again? 2. 18 minus 2, 16. Go down again, 16 minus 2, 14. Down again, 14 minus 2, 12. Down again, 12 minus 2, 10. Now, I point up. We're counting by 2 still. We're at the number 10, and I say we need to count forward, right? We need to count forward. Our numbers are getting bigger. That's why I'm pointing up. 10 plus 2 is 12. What comes next? 12 plus 2, 14. 16, 18, 20. Down. 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. There we go. All right. So let's count by 2s until we get to 20. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We're at 20. Pay attention. 18, 16, 14, 12, 10. Count with me. 8, 6, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I counted. See, even I get a little confused sometimes. But that's all right. That's why we do it, right? We all need practice. Clearly, I need some practicing too. All right, let's start with 14. We're starting with 14. If you want to count on your fingers to see how many groups that is, you can. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. If that doesn't help you, don't worry about it. So we're on 14. You're going to count. I'm not going to count with you. Remember, if I go up, we're counting forward, we are adding 2. I go down, we're counting backwards, we are subtracting 2. We're at 14. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, that's enough for today. Okay, I know that can be a little challenging, but it helps us really think about how many we have. And fluency is how we get stronger and faster with our math. Good job.